What is up, you guys? Hey, it's Lance again on your screen. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to have motion tracking 101. But before we start, I'm excited to show you this Filmora Achievement Program. Filmora launched this multi-tiered Filmora Achievement Program to challenge creators to explore the entirety of what Filmora can offer. Users can earn badges by completing tasks or experimenting with new features. How to earn more rewards? Just need to sign in before you start, stay curious, and collect your rewards. Also, don't forget to upgrade your software to Filmora 12.5.5 or higher in order for you to join the Filmora Achievement Program. Click this button right here, check for updates, and you can see that there's a new version that has been released. These are the new features. Number 3 is the Filmora Achievement Program. All you need to do is to click install and you're good to go. Right, so as you can see, it's now upgraded to Filmora 12.5.6. As you can see, the badge right here beside your profile picture for Wondershare or beside your account. Click this and you will see the Filmora Achievement Program. You can collect 4 badges. We have Passionate Creator, Practice Squad, AI Explorer, and Audio Magician. To see the rewards, you just click See All Rewards right here. And you can redeem all of them once you already collected these badges. For more information about Filmora Achievement Program, please go to this link. You can see this link in the description below. In addition to the hashtag Filmora 800K giveaway, they are also giving away $50 gift cards to people who signs up for the Filmora email list. To enter, simply go to this link. The contest is valid until September 6th. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up now and you could be one of the winners. Let's go back to the video. Alright, so to do motion tracking, just need to import your video right here. Let's add this to our timeline. Click plus. I'll just minimize the sound. Then let's start motion tracking. So this is the whole video. There you go. To track this subject right here, or our subject right here is the man skiing, you just need to double click the video clip, go to AI tools and enable this, and then you'll be able to motion track our subject already. So adjust this rectangle with a crosshair in the middle, place the man inside. Also make sure that the man is inside the frame of the video 100% of the time. Okay, now let's try to motion track. To start tracking, just click this button right here. It's analyzing the video. So you can see it's automatically adjusting. All right. So the target inside the tracking box must be visible 100% of the time it is being tracked, okay? Now that we're done motion tracking this, let's try to preview. All right, so as you can see, it is now smoothly following our subject right there. All right, now you might be wondering or you might be asking, all right, yeah, I already motion tracked a subject or a person in the video. What can I do next? First thing that you can do is to add a mosaic. What's a mosaic? Like this. If you need to blur any information in your video, motion track that person first. And then after that, you can now add the mosaic. You can adjust the blur amount. You can make it harder or softer. You can also change its pattern. You know, this one is like a pixelated one. There you go. You can also have these other patterns right here and many more, okay? But mostly people are using this. And also you can adjust its size right there. Opacity 100% down to somehow 0, no more, and click OK. It will blur our subject in the middle, as you can see. So you can use this if you are like vlogging outside or you're doing some interviews and the person doesn't want to be in the video or doesn't like their faces to be posted online publicly. So you can use this motion tracking feature of Filmora 12. Okay. All right, Lance. So I already understood that I can add a mosaic or a blur element to my motion track video clip. What can I do more? Well, you can add some stickers or maybe a photo online. Just double click it. Click this link element. Select import from computer. Then add your media file. Okay. So for me, this is super mushroom artwork. I got this online. Now, as you can see, it was automatically placed over my subject right here, but I can also adjust it like so. I can make his head look like a Mario power-up or a mushroom. Let's try to play it. There you go. But it's not that precise, because it's just a picture. It's not a 3D model, but it's still a good element to add for your vlogs, videos, or maybe like anything that you would have for a project. So this is motion tracking 101 and I hope that you've learned from this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Ayo, it's Lance and I'm signing off. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.